It's the return of the world's largest academic conference in the field of seating mobility and assistive technology. That's right, the International Seating Symposium is back, live and in person, for the first time since 2019. Hosted by the University of Pittsburgh's Department of Rehabilitation Science and Technology, located at the beautiful David L. Lawrence Convention Center in downtown Pittsburgh, this year's ISS conference is set to be bigger and better than ever, celebrating almost 40 years of the sharing of knowledge. Featuring over 100 educational sessions, pre-conference workshops, instructional courses, and more, the ISS has something for everyone. This year, the exhibit floor is guaranteed to be packed with over 100,000 square feet of innovative products and technology being demonstrated by industry leaders from around the world. Register now and secure your spot at the International Seating Symposium. We can't wait to see you in Pittsburgh.